Hello guys, greetings everybody, you're welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to put you through on how I enter the market anytime I feel like trading. So pay close attention. Actually, we all know that gold has been bullish for so long this period. I don't know if if I should say for years or so, but gold has been bullish all this while. So you guys all know about that. But since last week Tuesday up till now, it has been bearish. So we don't know whether is going to go heavily or is going to reverse. But this time I'm going to take this trade. I'm trying to take an opportunity in the market. So but definitely my position was here. Don't look at it. There might be a scenario that I'll be out in this stage or this particular place. So this is a risk to reward of 1 is to 3.9 or 3.8, and this is a risk to reward of 1 is to 4 point something. So it's a very good position to leave the market, but actually I'm leaving this position to be in this place does not mean that I'm getting out of that place. I may see something that will make me feel that the market is reversing. It may reverse from here. I don't know. I'm not the owner of the market. But actually what I want to do this time is to show you how I entered the market. So forget about my take profit position, okay? So now what I actually see in this position, in this place now, due to the gold has been bearish all this while, and whenever you are trading gold, the volatility is very high. You have to be very, very careful in whatever you are doing. You get? So I've already finished analyzing my trade. It's just remaining for you to tap my position and there go. So I know what you might be thinking. You might say, so if assume you know that this market is going to go down, why not you from here? You'll be like, okay, let me just check the position now. You'll be like, oh, this is, let me see. You don't say that, yet you don't do that, because there is a possibility that this market from here will break out this place and keep going up. There is also a possibility it won't. So to be on a safer side, so long as you are comfortable about your POI, then you have to wait there. Allow the market to go. This is not the only chart that is going to play for the last time in this world. If it doesn't give you the opportunity today, it will give you tomorrow. Do you get? So now let's see what I saw in the market that made me decide to long instead of going short with the market. Okay, as we have already explained earlier that the market has been bullish all this while, but since last week from Tuesday downward, it has been Tuesday it has been bearish, and it has been giving us break of structure, this break of structure, and this one is also a break of structure, even though it is on my zone. So this particular place now, though I tried taking this opportunity here yesterday, but doesn't work out for me because it broke my zone and it also sweep out the liquidity. It's supposed to at least come to this place and start going back, but it does what? It gives us market structure shift, which shows that the structure has already been shifted. So if you look closely, this is a pure valid BOS. So there is no two ways about it. I did not get it out because it's on my zone, so I don't want to make my chart be so messy. But look at it, is a valid break of structure, and is external. It's external because you watch and see that this particular last break of structure breaks and this one also breaks, but this particular place, why is the market not respecting it? It does what? It close above it with body candle. So because of this closure, this is what made me to say, okay, that the market has already shifted. Now, this is what we should have expect to see if this market is going to be bearish again. We should have expect to see something like coming to this zone. Even though it wants to sweep liquidity or above it, it should not close with body closure. You get coming to this zone and do what? Come down again to give us another new break of structure down here. But there is sorry, but it's so what should I say? But what okay, reversal is the case, it does not come the way we thought. So this is supposed to be the BOS. If sorry, if the market respected that zone, this is supposed to be BOS for downside. And with this, we will be sure, yeah, the market is not going up. Then with this, I will be like, okay, so as this has already given us this, now I will know that yes, that the market will, there must be a other block, this particular area that made that BOS. Then what will I expect? I will expect the market to do what? To come down to the other block and do what? And keep going down. Then I will place my position there. But it's unfortunate that the market has already given us external MSS, which simply means that we are doing what? We are back to go bullish. So I don't know the level this bullish is going to take before it reverses back. So I'm placing this here does not mean is where I'm taking out. Okay, so now this is it. This particular area that I mark here is IDM because it's not in anywhere near any zone. Now watch this place. This is the zone you have to be working on. This is the particular zone you have to be working on from here to here. How do you know your zone? You see this long black candle here. This is the longest black candle that is close by. This is the zone that is a zone. But after the zone, after that candle, you will see the bullish candle that comes in. That simply means this is the last. There is a lot of order in this particular candle before the bullish people do what? Before the market start going bullish. So there is a lot of order this particular place. So that is why you have to take this as your zone, because there are a lot of people waiting there for the market to come down so that they can do what? They can join the queue in doing what? In going up. So this is actually how you can get it. So when you stick to this place, you are expected to take your position above this place, like this particular place. Now yes, you are expected to take your position there, but actually I'm taking my position below that because of, let me show you, because of this particular place there is a little liquidity, which I just marked this particular place, like this place. Now it doesn't sweep that liquidity below, so this is a liquidity, this is a liquidity. So and this down one also is a liquidity, this one is a liquidity. So and this place, sorry about this particular area, is my protected swing low. So this is what I supposed to do if I just want to feel like, yeah, I'm protected. This is where I supposed to give my stop loss, because there is a scenario that this market may come down to this particular place, break all this liquidity, and do what? And just take from here and start going up. So there is a scenario that is also, you have to keep that in mind as well. But sometimes I normally take my POI like this, something like this. Sorry, I don't want it this way for now. I just want to go the way I want it. So this is the way, this is the particular one I'm seeing about this, my particular setup. This is the one I'm seeing as my protected low, because I know this market is now protected because of this MSS. So right now, this is where we are in this particular place. Now is where we are expecting this market, this particular one, this market from this position to come down in any of this zone, this first zone that I mark here, to come down here and do what? And break this one. After breaking this, is going to do what? Is going to come up here and break. So automatically I don't see reason why I have to leave my position that long. So I'll be waiting to take it out from here. But if I'm watching and see how the momentum is being, how the momentum of the market is going, that is when I'll do what? I'll take it from this first position. So that is the reason why I do this. So I want you also know that this particular position here, you don't say, God, let me go and set my position to take from this particular place. I'm sorry, you'll be disappointed, because this is IDM. This zone is IDM. So if you take anything from this zone, now you sabi. You might say, okay, let me take it and this raised to rule of 1:2. You can watch and see. It is an IDM. It's going to stop you out. Then if it doesn't stop you out, you are lucky. But for me, I don't dream this. So now, as the market is going, let's see how it plays out. Well, finally, it has tapped our position. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. That was when I did this analysis. I'm waiting for it to do or to tap our point of interest and pick us in. So if you see the screenshots I'm sending above, you will notice that I am also tapped in the market. So the market is actually going well. One thing in trading is you have to you have to grow, as in you have to train yourself to be patient whenever you are trading, because if you're not patient, your money will be paying for it, and that is not what you want as a trader. So there is a lot of things to come across when trading, and you need to actually discipline yourself, because trading is 10% buy, 10% sell, but 80% waiting. Can you imagine? I did my analysis since yesterday. It has already given me this market structure shift, and after this market structure shift, I saw that is actually coming down. This liquidity was the liquidity that was available when I did this particular setup. So I did what? I mark it out because I know it's going to be swept out. But after, along the line, another one created. This particular one created, and it keep going up and swept this particular liquidity here. After sweeping this liquidity, it went up to do what? To sweep liquidity. One thing you have to understand about forex trading, I've noticed this several times. I've been watching it and I'm seeing it. Whenever a price take some liquidity, whether in buy side or sell side, and you see it reversing. If you see it reversing, expect any nearest liquidity to be swept, because as the price has taken this and is reversing for real, it took all these ones, and you still see it keep going up. Just know that any other close by liquidity is gonna be taken out. So that is actually what happened. It just took it back and do what? And start going back, because it doesn't have that momentum to push it down. All right, so I will not say much now, because we need to, what we are interested is the results. Let's see. So we are currently in the market. Sorry, these lines I mark here are my kill zone, so I normally like to watch it sometimes. So after the days is being played out, I will remove it and add another one. This is London and New York Q zone actually. Let's see how it plays out. It recently tagged me in, so let's see how it plays out. I'm not saying that, please just get me, I'm not saying that this market is going to boom up. There is a possibility it comes to this particular level, it go down, it break, it might even try to sweep this particular place, this too small tiny liquidity here. It might even try to stop me out. So all these things, these are a game of probability. But no matter what, anything that happens, no problem. We learn. So now, like I said yesterday, it's not much I'm taking all my this thing out from here. I may take it out from this nearest liquidity zone. This is still a very good position to go out of the market, risk to the reward of 1:3. So if at all I'm not gonna take it out, if like I don't want to, I want to wait. Once this thing reach to this place, once it breaks with body closer here, I'll start moving. Let's see the reverse of this, how it's gonna look like, before I will know how to adjust my stop loss. But after that, I'll start doing what? I'll start moving up little by little. If I want to wait for it to be here again, I'll start trailing my stop loss. So let's see how it goes now. I'll give you feedback later. Okay. Good day, everybody. All right. After some times waiting for this since 6:30 a.m. in the morning till now, this is 2 p.m. So we have been waiting for this to give us a very good move, but unfortunately it has not been doing well. It has been choppy, so that's not what we want. I'm actually expecting this market to at least come to this place, so I'll move to break even, but it's not coming up. Now there is something that I see that made me to say, okay, let me just come and say one or two. Definitely this level has been swept, and also this particular one has been swept. It has been swept. Just if you look very closely, you will see it. So what I'm actually watching to see now, this particular candle, if this candle closed in bearish, I'm gonna close this position, because it's a bad omen that is going to go down. It's going to go down. But if it's at least come up a bit, I'll wait. But I think it is better I take a little loss than I take full loss on the trade. So we're not concluding yet until after the candle is being played out. This is 30 minutes, so it's remaining 15 minutes. We are still waiting. So after this, we'll know how it is. I didn't move to break even. If you watch, you see that there is no momentum in the market, so there is no reason for me to move to break even for anything at all. Yeah, I'm currently down with just small dollar. I'm just watching anyway. Anything we see after everything, I'll still get it posted. All right, okay, see you. So, and this come to the end of our today's trading. So guys, see you next week.